to you a really cute craft that is super easy to make, eco-friendly, and inexpensive. These heart-shaped bird feeders make a perfect addition outside of your home and attract beautiful birds during the springtime. To create these bird feeders, you will need corn syrup, a large mixing bowl, water, non-stick spray, wax paper, flour, a heart-shaped cookie cutter, gelatin, and twine. And not pictured here, you will also need a straw or a marker lid, something you will be able to make a hole for your bird feeder, and of course birdseed. To get started, you're going to be adding 1/2 cup water and 3 tablespoons of corn syrup to your mixing bowl. Adding 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin to the mixture. Once you have stirred your water, gelatin, and corn syrup together, add 3/4 cup flour to the bowl. Mix all of your ingredients thoroughly into a batter. It should look something like pancake batter when it's all mixed together. Our last step is to add our birdseed. I'm going to be adding 4 cups of birdseed to the mixture and stirring it as I go. When your birdseed mixture is thoroughly combined, use some non-stick spray on the inside of your cookie cutter to prevent the birdseed from sticking. Now place your cookie cutter on a piece of wax sheet. Spoon your mixture inside of the cookie cutter, pressing the mixture firmly. The more you press down, the less shedding of the seeds you will have once the cookie cutter has been removed. Now I'm going to be taking an old dried up marker lid, and I'm going to be using that lid to poke a hole through my bird feeder. And you can use something like a straw also, something that's hollow that will be able to collect the bird seed inside of it when you press through. Very carefully remove your cookie cutter to reveal your final product. Here I'm just going to be showing you a smaller heart that I made, and as you can see, that's quite a bit smaller than my other one. And I'm just going to be doing the exact same process as before, and I've found that it really helps to use some wax paper on my spoon, and as I pressed it down, that way it wouldn't stick to my fingers when I was trying to firmly press the birdseed mixture into the cookie cutter. With this recipe, I was able to make 3 large hearts and 1 small heart. To ensure that your bird seed has fully set, you're going to want to wait and let these dry overnight. Once your bird feeders are completely dry, you can just thread some twine through the hole and hang them wherever you'd like.